to the channel. So as I told you in the last video, when we were fitting the shifter to the DC5, our next job was to be fitting the induction kit to the Mini. So tonight what we'll be doing is fitting the MTC Motorsports silicone hose and the Ram Air induction kit to the Mini. Quite an easy install. Just a couple of clips, or seem to be BMW clips, holding on the two pipes, and then just screw off the airbox. So yeah, that's what we're doing in this video. I'm going to pop a post of the car driving without the air filter, and then hopefully get some number plates on it tonight and take a quick drive just to hear the difference. So yeah, we'll get straight into it, and get the hoses off and get the airbox off and get this one fitted. So the first thing we're going to do is remove this clip, and there's one holding it onto the throttle body down there. Remove this pipe here, and then remove the top of this airbox. So it's just a wee 10mm holding on here. I think there's two of them. Just that clip holding on here, I think. And then we'll pull this pipe off once we have the other two clips off. So we'll get them off first. So yeah, just both of them with the flathead, pop them off. I won't be reusing these, so we can just pull them out. That's the two clips off. Can pull this pipe back, and this one. We'll get this one out first, and then we'll take the airbox off now with the two 10mm. Okay, so as being a Honda man, I think everything's a 10mm. These two bolts are actually 8mm, so they're both loosened off. This here now can pop out. We can bring it out past the, that's the airbox resonator out. Probably best to remove this pipe first, as I was sort of pulling at it and I found a big split in below, so it was always good changing this, as that's something you wouldn't see, you wouldn't know what's split. But it's split in there. So yeah, just the other clip here to pull this pipe off and just pop off the airbox. It's loose now anyway, so I'll do that now. Okay, so that's the airbox top off, which we're not going to need again. This is the filter that was in it. I think that's just an OEM replacement filter. We have the pipe off here, and we'll be leaving this here until we get a bit of pipe to make into an induction, you know, to push the air towards the induction kit. This bit of pipe wasn't actually held on with a clip, so somebody's been at it before with a cable tie. Haven't even bothered to cut the end off the cable tie. So yeah, now we'll go on to starting to fit the MTC silicone hose and the air filter. Okay, so what I've just noticed is we bought this. You can buy the full kit from MTC, but what we done was bought the MTC silicone hose and then bought the Ram Air intake from another company. It worked out a bit cheaper than just buying it all from MTC. The clip to hold on the air filter onto the silicone hose, it also came with a bracket. Obviously fit the bracket to the side of the standard airbox, the bottom of it, and then screws in like that and get it on, so that holds it like this. The only thing is MTC didn't send any clips to hold this on, so we'll just have to resort to a cable tie until we can get another clip. But yeah, so I'm just going to slide this on, get a cable tie around the bottom and connect the pipe that goes on to this hose here, and then we can get the air filter on. Okay, so this little pipe has a wee joiner on it, so we'll pull that out of that one, slide it into this and line them both up once it's on the throttle body. I can't do this with one hand, I don't think, so we'll pull this out now, slide it into this, get it all set up, and I'll show you it on when we have it on. Okay, so that's the pipe in there, all connected up with the joiner. Just a wee cable tie around here until we can get another clip, and you can see the induction leading straight into the box. So yeah, we'll get the air filter on now. I do want to get something to come from here to sort of point in towards the air filter. We can maybe do something with one of these pipes just as a temporary measure. But yeah, we'll get the air filter on now, get it all bolted up, and we'll see how she sounds. Okay, so that's the air filter connected as well, and the wee clip around it. I couldn't manage to get the bracket to hold on. Every time I went to put it on, it spun round on me, so we'll leave it as it is there now. I also, the pipe that was coming off here, obviously this isn't pointing towards the filter, so the pipe that was coming here, I've cut it so that it will now point in the direction of the air filter, just as a temporary measure, just so that the air's going where it should be. But yeah, that's us more or less completely installed now. Just a cable tie around this, and we'll take it a drive to see what it sounds like. Okay, so that's everything connected up. Added a big cable tie here to hold this on. A big cable tie here because one of the clips wasn't in the box. Whether it comes with it, I don't know. Connected down there. The pipe connected. Really easy install. Only took about 10 minutes. A couple more minutes just to do this. You don't need to do this. This is just to get the air towards the filter. So yeah, I'm going to throw a set of number plates on it and take a little drive till we see the difference. Okay, so number plates on, induction kit on. It's starting to get a wee bit dark. It doesn't look as dark in the camera as what it is. Rear number plate on. We'll be getting new number plates, nicer looking ones. These will do for the meantime. It's kind of hard to get number plates. So yeah, that's the induction kit on. Car's so clean compared to when we bought it. Obviously with the new boot lid on. If you watch Vicky's video, this one completely rust free. Vicky will be doing a video. We have a wiper delete bung to go in, so she'll be doing a video on that hopefully tomorrow or the next day. But yeah, looking a lot cleaner. The new exhaust. Obviously getting new number plates. Then maybe the wheels need done. But yeah, really enjoying doing little modifications to this car. I think maybe the next one for the engine will either be the intercooler or the smaller pulley, but we will be servicing it before we go any further. So yeah, I'll jump in now. We'll go to the shop in it, see if we can hear a difference in the noise. I've already added hopefully the noise from the last video, if you can hear it over the Jap can exhaust, if anybody can remember it. But yeah, we'll jump in and go a quick drive. a quick wee drive. We took it to the shop. I hope the camera lets you hear the difference there is, especially when you're up the revs. You can definitely hear the supercharger a lot more. So we car back home. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. As I say, it's not a hard job to do. I think all in it costs around £80, so it's not too bad. And yeah, about 10 minutes done the job. So yeah, thanks again for watching. Consider subscribing if you like the mini content or DC5 content. And yeah, thanks again.